Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. Chalo. With that being said, let us start with the session. Let us start with the session, sir. Okay. Now, so this is the paper solution that we are doing. That is CGL Tier 2, the 18th January shift. So the first part I have done in the first class, like in the yesterday session. So again, we will continue with the next part in this session. So the last question we had done is this. So this will be the next question and the first question for today. So again, I'll give you guys a few seconds to solve, and from there we can pick it up. So chalo, I should think 1 minute should be enough. So please solve everyone. Everyone, please solve. Uh, पण में यार नहीं, no worries, no worries. Answers, 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 answers. Manmay is saying 533. 533. Okay, perfect. Let's see. So 533. Chalo, let's see. On an occasion of Republic Day, a retail store offers a scheme where customers can avail a discount of 26% on their total purchase. Okay. If Manish buys items worth 2050 rupees, how much money will he save through the scheme discount? It's a very simple thing. Very simple. Right? Items worth, so 2050. So 26% is the discount, right? इतना easy है. 5 2s, 5 41s, 2 13, sir. So like 13 into 40, sir. 4 13s are 52. And so 13 into 1 is 13, sir. So 533. This is very simple. This is very simple. Again, 1 minute was too much. 1 minute was too much. Sir, next one, please. Next one, please. Next one, please. Please solve, sir. Again, a minute's time. Again, a minute's time, everyone. अरे जल्दी से बनाओ सर. जल्दी से बनाओ सर. It was very simple. Last question. Now, this one, please. This one, please. Next one, sir. जल्दी से. चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो सर. Any answers? Any answers? Any answers whatsoever? Any answers, sir? Still now. Sai, very good evening. Very good evening, Sai. Very good evening. Any answers? Any answers? No answers yet. No answers yet. Chalo. Sir, there are multiple ways of doing this question. ठीक है? let me just discuss a small, like very basic way so that everyone can understand. So milk is there and water is there. Milk ratio water. In vessel A, that ratio is 4 is to 5. And in vessel B, that ratio is a 2:1, sir. Correct? Now, what they have done, they have taken X liters from here. From here, they have taken X liters and they have taken Y liters from here. X liters from here, Y liters from here. And they have mixed it. And the milk to water becomes 8:5, sir. This is what it is. This is what it is. They are asking what is the ratio of X is to Y. Correct? Now, what is the best way of solving? Sir, you will say, sir, अरे ये तो सर बिल्कुल allegation का question है. The way that everybody should understand. अरे यार. Correct? Sai has given answer as 2. Let's see. So, now how to use allegation here? I told you, you can use allegation using either milk or water, anything you choose. I'm choosing milk. So, in the first vessel, how much milk is there? Sir, 4 parts out of 4 plus 5. अच्छा, एक second. Allegation से करे? Allegation से करे? हाँ हाँ, चलो allegation से करे. Sir, 4 parts out of 4 plus 5, 9 parts, sir. That is milk. In the vessel B, how much milk, sir? 2 parts out of 2 plus 1, 3 parts. In the final mixture, how much is milk, sir? 8 parts out of 8 plus 5, 13 parts. Allegation लगा दो, sir. Now here also there are two ways to go about this. Many people they are not like willing to kind of calculate this. So they do what? They like kind of take an LCM and multiply all the numbers. So 13 nines are 170. So if you choose, you can do this. Sir, if you don't want to deal with numbers. So again, this is 13s. This is, sir, 3 se kar lo. 3 3s are 9. So 13 3s are 39. Direct kar do, sir. 13 nines are this. So ultimately, this is becoming 52. This is becoming 78. And this is becoming 8 nines are 72. So 52 and 72 gap is 20. And this is, sir, gap is 6. So the will become ratio will become 3:10, sir. 3:10, which is there in option number 2, sir. Which is there in option number 2. Right? Now again, many people, including me, I don't really prefer doing this calculation. I always feel, sir, ये fraction calculation is also easier than multiplying. Why? Because sometimes these values will not be this easy. 13, 3, 9, इतना easy नहीं होगा. The denominator especially. So in that case, it always makes more sense to keep it like this and just do the little calculation. It is never very difficult, that calculation. Okay, but again, it is completely up to your discretion. If you choose, if you feel this is more comfortable, do it. If you choose, like if you think no, it's very like more critical, don't do it. Don't do it, sir. Next question, sir. Next question. But before I go there, na, I'm having some issue with the software. One second, just let me restart. Chalo, now it's okay. Please do this. Again, you should not take more than 20 seconds to solve this. 20 seconds से ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. Nobody should take more than 20 seconds. So 91 even numbers. 91 is an odd number itself. Now, if you have, I had taken a class, I guess, this year, February, March ke around, most probably during those days, like winter, like tha, I still remember. So there I had discussed about this. So let's understand this concept. If you don't know, there are 5 numbers, 5 even numbers. 5, why? Because I want to take odd numbers. 5, like first 5 odd number, even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So average average is always the middle number. करके देखो, you will always get that. You will always get the average as middle. Sir, take 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 means 7 plus 1 by 2. Fourth number is always your average. Again, you are welcome to try. So if that means the thing or the concept that we are going to, if we are having odd number of numbers, odd number of even numbers, be it odd numbers, doesn't really matter. Always your average will be the middle number. Your average will always be the middle number, sir. Right? And if you have your average as the middle number, so middle number for 91 numbers will be 91 plus 1 by 2th number. So that is your 46th number, sir. Sir, 46th even number is what? 46 times 2. 46 times 2 is the 46th. Again, you might have, like there also sometimes students have a little doubt. So think, first even number, sir, 2. 2 into 1. Second even number, 4. 2 into 2. Third even number, 2 into 3. 46th even number, 2 into 46. As simple as that. Never you should have doubts there. So 92, option number 3 here again is the correct answer. Absolutely clear this? Absolutely clear? Yes, you were correct in the previous question. This one, 10 seconder actually. Volume पूछा है, rounded off to this. Now again, please understand. Rounded off to means no multiple you can use. No multiple concept. The shortcut आप use नहीं कर सकते sir. No multiple concept you can use. That's the biggest problem. Bhupender is saying n plus 1 is 92 answer. Okay, yeah, works that way also. That way also works. Bhupender ka logic kya hai? Again, Bhupender has also given us one logic, sir, n plus 1. Now why? Bhupender has gone about what? Again, chalo, thoda ek second dekh lete. Even numbers. What is the sum of first n, like first n, like number of even numbers? It is n into n plus 1. Now average will be what? Because they are asking average, by n kar do, because there are n numbers. So you can go with that logic as well. But again, you should know this. So n is 91 given. So you can always from there say 92. That's also a very simple way to. But again, here you need to learn, like remember this. And even if you don't want to remember this particular thing for this question, I will suggest remember this, because there will be questions where you will require this. Okay? Chalo, moving on. Bhupinder, very good method there also. Do this one. Chalo, do this one, please. Do this one, please. Chalo. Volume of a right circular cone of diameter and height. Simple calculation पूछा है. देखो, understand, sir. In this question, they are asking you to calculate nothing else. Pi given 22 divided by 7. Cone है क्या? Circular cone, yeah. So meaning 1/3 pi r square. R is what? Diameter 12, sir. Meaning r is 6. 6 into 6. H is 5, sir. So this calculation we need to do. चलो, जो भी करना है करेंगे, sir. Sir, I'm taking now this is 3.14 rather than 5 point like this thing. So this is 6 into 10, 60. 60 into 3, 180. Plus 1.4 times 6. You see, 60 into 0.14. So I'm just doing it like this. Again, I'm having so much issue with this board now. So 6, like 6 14s are 84. So 8.4. So 188.4 around this. But again, it will not be the direct answer. Why? Where I've kind of like taken a little bit of approximation. 22 by 7 is not exactly 3.14. It is something extra. So my answer will be 188 point something. And there is only one like option which is in that vicinity. So that has to be my answer, sir. That has to be my answer. Perfect, sir. Yes, Bhupinder, Sai, everyone. Very, very good. Very, very good. Simple. Simple question, sir. Next one. Next one. Before you do, just a second. Do this. Do this, sir. Do this, please. जल्दी से जल्दी से बनाओ सर जल्दी से बनाओ सर Do this very, very, very quickly. Do this, please. चलो 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 Answer. Answer, sir. Answer, answer, answer. Answer, sir. Sir, again, it's a very simple question if you know what it is. Now, those who know will say, sir, I guess 689 hai na? 20 ka cube is, sir, this is 19 cube. They understand, sir. There are ways. We know, like I know, you know, most of you guys know how to figure out square roots, cube roots. If you don't know, then again, you need to know. And 1296 by 100%, you should already know this, that this is 36 ka square hota hai, sir. This is 36 square. Right? This is a very common value, very like popular value. You need this for many reasons. But many people might not know this. Now, again, use a little bit of common sense. Always remember, sir. Common sense ka there is no substitute of common sense. Sir, it is ending in 9. Which cube can end in 9, sir? Which cube can end in 9? चलो सर देखते यूनिट डिजिट सर सर 0 क्यूब एंड्स इन 0 1 क्यूब एंड्स इन 1 2 क्यूब अच्छा चलो मैं राइट लेट मी राइट यूनिट डिजिट 0 सर सॉरी 2 cube ends in 8 3 cube ends in 7 4 cube ends in 2 5 cube ends in 5 6 cube ends in 6 7 cube sir ends in 3 8 cube ends in 2 अच्छा 4 cube मैंने क्या लिखा ends in 2 लिखा क्या पागल 9 cube ends in 9 sir always remember cube is something where for all 9 digits unit digits are always unique. You see, for 9 digits cube is all different, the unit digit is different after doing the cube. So there is no two ways. So again, if it is 9, if it is ending in 9, so again there is only one unit digit we can have. Now again, what did I do? 20 ka cube kya hai? 2 cube is 8. So triple zeros. So less than 8,000, yes or no? Yes. And last will be 9. And we know 10 cube is we know that 1,000. So that means the only feasible value between 10 and 20 ends in 9 is 19. So ye hona hi padega. It has to happen. So you can figure it out like this. So that means if you do cube root, the answer is 19 and this is to the power 4. So that means this is 6 to the power 4, sir. So if you do 1 by 4, that is 6 into 3 divided by 57 into, sir, 42. So 6 sevens are this, 19 threes are this, 3 threes are this. So answer is एक line का 7. Done, sir. Done, sir. साई गड़बड़ हो गया. भूपेंद्र absolutely correct, brother. Absolutely correct you. Absolutely. Very, very good. Perfect, sir. Next one. Question number 25, sir. Question number 25. Again, exact paper, exact order, whatever had come. Chalo, next one, next one, next one. Jaldi se. Sir, the mistakes. What are the mistakes that people do in this question? Sir, they will do x squared, sir. That is 8 plus root 5 whole square. Again, I'm not saying you cannot do that. You can. It is not a mistake. You can do it very easily if you know how to deal with that. Chalo, I'm showing you a couple of methods. Similarly, y square, you can do 8 minus root 5 square. But the mistake is you do not write it down. Keep it here only. Because in the question they are asking square sum. Add these two equations. If you add these two equations, you will get 8 plus, so x square plus y square is equal to 8 plus root 5 whole square plus 8 minus root 5 whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. That is twice of a square plus b square. Correct, sir? So this is 64 and 5, that is 69. So 138 is the answer, sir. 138, option number 1 is the answer. Perfect, sir. Yes, exactly. Besides the last one, brother, I'll explain. Acha. Now, once, like, what is the another way? Many people, so let me just show you another way of approaching this same question. Sir, many people can go like this. Sir, x square plus y square, many people will think like this. Sir, x plus y whole square minus twice of xy. Sir, I need x plus y. What will be the value of x plus y? Sir, x plus y will be, sir, if you add them, root 5 cancels. So 8 plus 8, 16, sir. What will be xy, sir? Xy will be, sir, this into this, a plus b into a minus b. So a square, that is 64, minus b square, that is 5. So it will be how much, sir? 59. So your answer will be, sir, this thing square, 16 square minus twice of 59. So this is 256 minus 120, 118. करके देखो 138 आएगा, sir. So also this is also a good way of doing. But again, this is much better. Direct you get the answers. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Chalo. I've shown you a couple of ways. Now here, Sai, the previous question. Brother, what I'm saying, we all know 20 squared is 8,000 and this number here is 6859. Ending in 9. Which number's cube ends in 9? It has to be a number that itself ends in 9 because 9 cube only ends in 9. Now, also I know 20 cube is 8,000 and 10 cube is 1,000. So tell me, 10 and 2. So this 6859 is somewhere between 10 and 20 cube. It is somewhere between 10 cube and 20 cube. Now tell me, 10 cube, somewhere between 10 cube and 20 cube, which number? There is only one number which, if you cube it, can end in 9. So that is 19. Because I told you the number itself has to end in 9. And in between 10 and 20, there is only one number that ends in 9. That is 19. So this must be 19 cube. So when you do the square, like cube root, you will get 19. 1296 is very simple. 36 square meaning 6 to the power 4. So fourth root will be 6 itself. And then simple calculation. Done, brother? Done? Yes, sign. Cube root is there, brother. This is not root. This is cube root. So if you do, say you see 19 cube you calculate, you will end up getting 6859. That is what I'm saying. So cube root of 6859 will give you 19. That's what I'm saying. Perfect? Clear? Moving on. Moving on then. Sir, next one. Jaldi se. Very simple question. Very simple question of ratio. Very simple question of ratio. So give me a confirmation whether this is clear or not. And everybody, if you are liking, please do hit that like. Please do hit that like. No, that is not 2, brother. That is 3. You see, cube root of there. It was cube root, not square root. It was cube root, brother, not square root. Bhupender has given answer already. Very good, brother. Very good. Very, very good. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sum of money distributed PQR in this ratio. Sir, एक line का question. P gets this much more than R. 5 is 1 part more than R. 1 part is this. Q ka share is 3 parts. So 3 parts will be into like this 1500, sorry, into 3, sir. That is 4500. 10 seconds at max you should take. 10 seconds at max you should take. Perfect. Next one. Sir, tell me. How should we approach this? How should this question be approached, sir? How should this question be approached? Tan into tan is 1. Tan into tan is 1. Tan into tan is 1. कैसे करेंगे sir? Similarly, it could be cot into cot as well. That could have been the question as well. Same will be the solution. Bhupesh is saying 1. Brothers, again, if you don't know how to do it, dekh lo. So tan of x plus y, keep it like this. Take this to this side. So it will become 1 by tan, meaning sir cot x minus y, sir. Now, tan x plus y. Sir, how to change cot back into tan? Sir, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, the complementary angle. So minus x plus y, sir. Just I've done this. Now both are tan, so I can simply write x plus y is equal to 90 degree minus x plus y. So y cancels, x is 45 degree. So tan x ka value they are asking. Tan x will be tan 45, which is equal to 1. So option number 1, sir. Option number 1. Perfect, everyone. Again, I need answers from everyone. I'm getting answers from couple of students. ये क्या है, sir? Calculate the mode of the following data. Calculate the mode using empirical formula, sir. Empirical formula, using that, calculate the mode of the data. Chalo, sir. We need to calculate the mode of the following data. Tell me. Tell me, sir. जल्दी से. Answer, sir. Answer, sir. Answer. Need answers. I know it will take a little bit of time, but again, need answers. Need answers, everyone. Chalo, let me help. Let me help. Sir, what is the empirical formula? Sir, empirical formula is saying mode is 3 median minus 2 mean. So meaning if I want to calculate mode, I have to calculate median as well as mean. Chalo, nikalte hain, sir. Sir, median, how to calculate? Sir, first I have to arrange. That's the trickier part, because there only we tend to make mistakes. So let's arrange it in the increasing order, sir. So least value I can see is 16, 16, 17, 18. Sir, any 20, 19, 19, 19 is not there. 20, 21, 22. 23 I cannot see. 24 I can see twice. Acha, 24 I can see thrice actually. Huh. 25 I can see twice. And 28 I can see once. Now again, many people will say, sir, why need empirical formula? Because 25 is like 24 is thrice, 24 should be mode. But again, please understand, using empirical formula, whatever mode you get might not always be equal to the actual mode of the data set. Please understand. Okay. Empirical formula means, yeah, Sai, I have written down the empirical formula, brother. So again, whatever you get use like by like using empirical formula, that might not match with the actual mode. So from this data set, the mode is coming out to be 24. Let's see whether empirical formula gives us the same as well. So don't just look for and go for like 24. And you see, you can't really do that because the options may there is no 24. But again, if they want to make it tougher, they will give you a 24 in option. And I can guarantee many people will or many students will fall into that trap. What is it? Kar do. I can see it like directly. Don't do that. Sir, how many data sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Always cross check because there is a lot of like room for mistake here. So 12, 12. So I've copied everything. Now that means what will be the median, sir? Median will be what, sir, in over here in this data set? 12 means, sir, 6th and the 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. So this is going to be your median. This is going to be your median, sir. What will be median, sir? 22 and 24 ka average. 22 and 24 by 2, meaning, sir, 23. That is your median. Now again, I need what? I need mean as well. Calculate mean, chalo. Sir, 51, it will be a little tricky. 20, 21, 22, meaning, sir, this is going to be 21 into 3, that is 63. 24 thrice, meaning, sir, 72. 25, 25, meaning, sir, 50 plus 28. Divided by, sir, 12. Divided by 12. Achha. First things first. This is 6. 51 and 63. 5, 6 are 100 and 10. 114. 114, sir. Plus 50 plus 78. I'm doing it directly. 2, 1, 7 to 9 and 1. By 12 you do. 12 ones are 12, 6 are this. So the average we are getting is 16 plus 6, that is 22, sir. That is the mean. That is your mean, sir. That is your mean. Now, using the empirical formula, 3 times median. 3 times median is 23 minus 2 times mean, meaning, sir, 22. So this is going to be 69 minus 44. So 5 to 25, sir. So option number 3 comes out to be my answer. So again, you see it is not matching with the 24. A little here and there. A little here and there. Yes, Bhupender, your answer is correct. So again, don't fall into that trap. And this question will be a little lengthy. You have to find 3 things. Okay, moving on. Moving on, sir. Trigonometry. Chalo, do it, sir. Do it, everyone. Very, very, very quickly. Please do it. Please do it very, very quickly. Array, sir, there is the question is incomplete. Ruk jao, ruk jao, ruk jao. Just wait a second. Ye banda na. Just a second, just a second, just a second. Question number 19th, na? Just give me a second, sir. Oh, yeah, question. Can't find it. Ruko, sir. Let's move into the next one. Sir, that question I can't find it. Please do this. I'll find it. I'll try my best to find it. Next classes mein mil jayega, sir. Sir, how to do this? Sir, whenever such type of questions comes, be very chill. Option, just go look at A. All 4 options are having different powers. Meaning I'll not calculate B or C. I'll just check for A. 7 and here is 9. So this power will be -2. Which option says -2? Option C. That's your answer. Do not go for all 3 powers because it will kind of give you like get you in trouble. It will kind of get you in trouble, sir. Very simple, right? 10 seconds. 10 seconds only. Sir, again, very simple. How much, by how much 60% of 75? Sir, always remember A% of B is equal to, meaning you can interchange, the value remains the same. 60% is difficult to calculate, 75% is easier. 60% of 75, meaning 75% of 60, 3/4, 75% of 60. So this is 45. This is how much greater than 1/5 of this, meaning 5. Sir, it is 40 greater. एक second का answer. Yes, Sai, Bhupinder, perfect brothers, everyone, very good. Next one, sir, age related questions. Age related question, this one, next one. Very simple. Very simple, sir. Age related question. Now, please understand, in these questions, generally we try to use the ratio technique. Youngest person 2. But again, when the ratio is this, very difficult. Why? It has to be a multiple of 2. All 4 options are multiples. One is it? But again, the question is very simple. Average age of 3 persons is 56. And their ages are in this ratio, sir. So average from here, 7, 5, 12 plus 2, 14. So this is 14 by 3 parts. It is equal to 56. So one part, it is equal to 12 years, sir. 4 3s are 12. Done. They're asking age of the youngest. 12 into 2, 24 years. Because youngest was 2 parts. Youngest one was 2 parts, sir. Khatam. Next one, sir. Hemisphere surmounted. So complex diagram, like complex 3D question. Chalo. Chalo, please do. Please do, sir. Please do, sir. चलो 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 जल्दी से बनाओ सर, जल्दी से बनाओ सर. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere and that of the cone is this, height of the cone is this, total surface area. Sir, थोड़ा बना लेते हैं so that we can have a good understanding. So, but again, I'm making the diagram in 2D. That way, na, it will be better for us to understand. That way, it will be better for us to understand. But again, ऐसे नहीं होगा सर. चलो, I'm drawing this second part na by hand only because otherwise, सर ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा सर. ठीक है, आइसक्रीम टाइप. Now, height, अच्छा, first of all, radius of hemisphere and cone must be same. Radius of the hemisphere and the cone must be the same. So that is 36. Okay. And the height of the cone is 105. This height is given as 105. Now, total surface area of the toy, sir. Sir, first of all, sir, the surface area of this part, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square in this will be pi, sir. All options ये सारा ना pi है, sir. I'm quite certain. 2 pi into r square. R square will be, sir, 36 square. Sir, अभी हमने किया 1296 into 2 pi. So meaning, sir, this is 1300 and 2600. 8 less 2592 pi, sir. This is only the area for the hemisphere. Now, come back to this, the cone, sir. But again, for that I need L, because for like the surface area of cone, the curved surface area, we need L. Sir, L will be what? Sir, you will say, sir, for L, we have height, we have 36. So L will be what? L will be the root over of 36 square plus this thing square. करके देखो. Again, honestly नहीं लगना चाहिए, but still if you need it. So 1296. अच्छा, direct triplet use कर दे. देखो sir, if you don't know triplets, 36 आ गया, 105 आ गया. I don't know the third part. This is a triplet. How to calculate, sir? 3 से if you divide, this is 3 3s are this, 3 35s are this. 12 and 35, what is the third triplet, sir? 12 and 35 के बाद, what is the third triplet, anyone? What is the third triplet or third number in the triplet of 12 and 35? 35 and 12 का, what is the third number, anyone? बताओ. Very, very popular. Very, 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 very popular, sir. Very, very popular. Anyone? Anyone? What is the third number after in this particular triplet? In this particular triplet, sir? बताओ, sir. Anyone, sir? What is the third number? What is the third number? 12, 25, 12, 35 and no answers. क्या हो गया? You guys are going for tier 2. It should be like 10 seconds. It should be right in your throats. You'll say, अरे 1235 के साथ आता है sir 37. This is a very popular triplet. We have done this multiple times in tier 1 as well. Now, if everything is getting multiplied by 3, so this will also get multiplied by 3. So the third side has to be 1, 1, 1. So again, in that case, we don't need to do this calculation. ये calculation भी नहीं चाहिए. So you'll say this is 1, 1, 1, sir, centimeter. So this is the value of L, sir. What will be this? Pi into R is 36 into L is 111. Sir, calculate कर लो. 36 into 100, 3600. 36 into 11 is 3693. So 6993. 3996 pi. So your answer will be 3996 pi plus 2592 pi. So 628, sir. Last में 8 pi रहना चाहिए. Last में 8 pi is there. 8 pi is there in this option 2. That's answer. That is your answer, sir. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. अरे ये उधर कैसे चला गया? 6588. Yeah, perfect. Bhupinder, perfect. Sai, perfect. चलो next one, sir. Same question दे दिया क्या? हाँ, same question. अच्छा अच्छा, let's choose a little bit because खत्म नहीं होगा. Let's just sir, this is do this. अच्छा, and somebody is like वो दिवाली है, पटाखा फोड़ रहा है, so please adjust. ठीक है, I cannot ask them to stop, right? So बच्चे लोग हैं, so they also have their, so we and you, all of us, I guess you guys are also in this particular category. When I was also little, I did these things. So again, I should not ask anyone to sacrifice. At height of the right circular cone given, area curved surface is 5 times the area of the base. अच्छा, cone का sir. So area of curved surface means pi RL is equal to 5 times of pi r square, sir. So r cancels, pi cancels. So L is 5r. That's the very simple relation that has been given to us. What is the volume of the cone? Achha. Right's height is given as 63, sir. So from there, I'll get R is equal to 63 divided by 5. Done, sir. Done. The volume, if they are asking, I need H as well. Baapre, the calculation will be very weird. 11 का multiple से होगा क्या? Let me check ना. Just give me a second ना. Just give me 1 second. But ये division है ना. Just a second. Division से नहीं होगा. So we have to do it because this decimal signs will get into problem. अच्छा, चलो sir. So in that case, क्या ही करें? So H will be, sir, root over of L square minus this. So it will be, sir, 63 square into 24. So 25 meaning minus 1, 24 by 25. So it will be 63 by 5 into 24. 24 means 2 root 6. ये आएगा सर H. बाप रे. I don't think we can do anything. Yeah, Bhupinder, is that working? Is that working? That is why I'm like, as I can see, ये नहीं आ रहा है sir. Because ये जो 5 है ना, this division by 5, because please understand, if this root 6 is there, that might create a little trouble, because h is not squared and root 6 is an irrational number. So there has to be some, like whatever you do, there has to be some approximation. Using that logic, I'm saying you cannot use the multiple concept, because for using multiple concept, now you need exact value. Exact value चाहिए. That is why I'm a little skeptical. Right? चलो एक बार चेक कर लेते still. एंड मैं कितना बड़ा पागल हूं, इट हैज टू बी प्लस, मैंने माइनस कर दिया. देखो बातों बातों में दिस इज 26 by 25, बट अगेन दैट विल नॉट बी ओके. अच्छा एक सेकेंड, एच ले रहे हैं ना, अरे यार आई डिड इट राइट. वी आर फिगरिंग आउट एच 63 square minus 63 square by 25, 5 square. 63 square is common, 25, 1 minus 1 by 25, 24 by 25. This comes out, this root over of 24, 4 into 6, 2 root 6, like 6. ये तो रहेगा, ये तो रहेगा. Height, अरे यार, थैंक यू ब्रदर भूपिंदर. अरे my mistake, I have taken slant height to be 63. अरे यार, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, एक्सट्रीमली मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं क्वेश्चन को. पठागा का गल, like I was do like saying ना, अरे height is given, h is given as 63. My mistake, my mistake, my mistake. Extremely sorry. अरे I don't need the calculation. तब तो sir you can use the multiple concept. Then we can use the multiple, 11 का multiple check कर सकते हो. And again, if you want to do it normally, so the volume they are asking ना, volume they are asking. So the height is given, area of this, what is the volume? So of cone, so 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square into h. H is 63, sir. This is what we are getting. Now you will say, sir, L is given as 5r. So how can I get the idea? So please understand, from here you can figure out the value of L as well, like h as well, or rather r as well, whatever you want. Because h is given. So you know L square is equal to h square plus r square. Put down the values. 25 r square, because L is 5r, minus r square is equal to 63 square. So 24 r square is equal to 63 square. So from there, r ka value you can figure out. But again, you see the calculation is going in a very weird direction. The calculation itself is going in a weird direction, right? So what you can say, you will say, sir, I don't, for this particular question, I don't need the value of r. Rather, I need that exact value of r square. So what I'll do, I can simply write r square will be 63 square by 24 and put this particular value back in this equation. But again, 63 square into 63 and divided by, there was a 24. And from there I can calculate. Yes, definitely. But again, this calculation is not very friendly. So rather than doing this, now once we know there is no irrational number or stuff, sir, I can simply say this is 63. So 7, 3, this is 3, and this will get cancelled and everything. So ultimately, this, my whatever my answer is, it has to be a multiple of this 22 means 2 into 11, sir. So it has to be a multiple of 11. It has to be a multiple of 11. Also, this there is 63, 63. 63 means there is 3, and there this is also 3 there. So 3 का भी multiple होना चाहिए. And you can check from the options and get the answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So if I check, now चलो sir 3 का check करते हैं sir. 135 3 का मल्टीपल है, सर 4 2 6 5. अच्छा, this is 9 4 2 6 gone, sir. This is not a multiple of 3, 4 option. So 9 is divisible, 4 divisible, this is divisible. Sir, option number 3 is, अच्छा, एक second, 11 by 11 भी तो check करना है sir. 11, so this is multiple of 3. 11 का sir, this is 1 8. So this is minus how much? 3, and this is 5. So 9 plus 2 11. So this is multiple of 11 as well. Sir, option number 3 100% is my answer. Just check for multiples of 11 as well as 3. वो okay हो जाता. Now again, if you want, if you go like this, then this part of calculation also you can skip, because देखो, just from this expression, before you even put the value of r or r square rather, you can get the idea कि sir this is a 11 multiple, this is a 3 multiple. From there you can figure it out. Clear, sir? Moving on. Good question, calculative question. That's all. Acha. So, acha, this question I have done multiple times. First time it was asked. First time it was asked in last year CGL mains only. Both the ships had one question each. 18th का भी 20th का भी. So this is that formula. This is that formula. Median का जो grouped median data. So x bar is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So you have to figure out the median class, and from there just put the values in the form. So couple of days back also, like in last week's classes, I've done one question like this. So please do follow that. Maybe this exact question. Maybe this exact very question. Okay. So couple of questions are remaining, which I'll give you as homework, which I will definitely give you guys as homework. So please try, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Now, with that being said, that concludes our class for today. And again, a very advanced happy Diwali to everyone, because Monday is like Diwali. So the classes will be off this Monday, but again, in this week, we'll cover up in the next coming days, like Wednesday, say again. So now, but again, if you want to make any purchases, because the tier 2 club like batches are also live, the new batch is coming on, and the foundation for next year, so foundation course is also live with new batches coming like later this month only. So the Diwali Dhamaka sale is on. So this will be live till 22nd of October. So again, this is the biggest discount of the year. So again, any purchases you want to make, you can definitely make it here. Also, the rank predictor app, that is also live. I have discussed that in detail. So in the description column of this particular video or this class, you will find the link to rank predictor, where you can paste your URL for this year's candidate, the link to the answer keys, and you will get the AI analyzed ranks, the predictor, like the analysis. You can compare your ranks with your friends as well. So there, like a whole lot of stuff you can do. You can play around with that. Okay. So again, the link to that you will get in the description of that. So with that being said, Ravan, yes, that's for that. You see, rather than me saying it, rather than me or any other faculty saying it, why don't you compare that, your chances with there is category based everything you will get there. So you just go there, put your answer key link. There are thousands of UI user data. So again, from there, the AI will analyze which will be accurate than any faculty, including me. So you just put there. That is completely free. You don't need to register. You don't need to do anything. Just put the data there, and you will get the answer. Okay. So that's the best way to get into the chance and stuff. Now, with that being said, thank you so much for joining the class. If you have loved it, please do rate, please do like the video, and definitely if you have any feedback, any comments, feel free to use the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week. Again, before I go, advance happy Diwali to everyone. Stay safe.